Hello, everybody. I'm here at K Roma, the KTM shop that I use, and this is a review of the new Enduristan Blizzard XL, which I've used for the last 7,000 kilometers. Okay. Okay, so the new bags, I've been using this. I just came back from Iceland, and I've used them for 7,000 kilometers, as I said. It is an improvement compared to the old model, not only because there are a few features that are interesting features, and I had no gripes with them. The only two things that I would suggest Enduristan, let's say, to improve is to have a valve here in order to release the air inside, because when you fold it, all the air remains inside, and yes, you may have some problems to with this air inside. The other thing I would suggest is to reuse, because they had it in the old model, to have a belt like this here, because it's actually very useful to be able to hold the saddlebags from something. Otherwise, every time you remove it, you have a problem. You don't know how to handle it. Okay, so these are the two things I would suggest Enduristan to use. And the other bag that I used, this kind of backpack that has the water bag incorporated at the back. I kind of tried this new model because I was using the Linden Posket, I think, backpack. That is only a water bag, whereas this one is also can work as a backpack as well. It holds, I think, up to 10 liters, so it can be useful to, if you go shopping, for example, so to put something inside, things like that. And so I think from now on I will be using this, unless I only need the water bag. This, as I said, it doubles up in functions. I also used as my luggage a Blizzard. It's a top bag. It was a 32 liters, and it's the medium size, and I'm very happy with that. Here I had on one side everything about the camping, the tent, sleeping bag, everything, and here on the other side everything about the rest, the motorbike itself. So thumbs up for the new Enduristan XL Blizzard saddlebags, the 2.35, yeah, and so I'm very happy with that.